Hi, hello travel buddies. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to meet you again with another interesting travel vlog. Myself, Hari Vivan. I'm a travel freak and a travel enthusiast. Traveling is my passion and hobby. I make travel related videos, so if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to catch up with all my upcoming vlogs. If you're planning your next trip to Chikmagalur, then this video is absolutely for you. I've given the complete information of our stay and places we visited in this vlog, so do watch the video till the end. Today is 7th of November and the time is 4:30 am. We group of 13 riders headed for a 2-day trip to Chikmagalur. We all gathered at Sankey Road, Sadashiv Nagar.
Thank you all for joining. So we're gonna have a very good trip. So in the trip, our main first concern is safety. So safety is our first priority. Make sure that you equip your safety gears properly. So I'm Hari Vivan. So this is Winston. So welcome to the Gear Tribe. So Winston is going to take the lead in the front.
After a quick briefing, we started our journey around 5:30 am. We took the Tumkur Road route and near Nelmangla we took a left, continued our journey with the NH75 Kunigal route. Here are some facts about the Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur is a district in the state of Karnataka. It's also known as the Coffee Land. The name Chikmagalur is known as Town of Younger Daughter in Kannada. This place lies in the western Ghats of Karnataka. It's basically a hill station which attracts trekkers, honeymoon couples, explorers and nature lovers. You can visit the place throughout the year, but the best time to visit is from September to May.
So guys, time is now 7:30. So we have now stopped for breakfast. We have parked our bikes behind and now we are at Kamath Hotel. So stay tuned and watch the video completely.
Around 8 am, we finished our breakfast and continued our journey back. Let me introduce our riders to you. We have a KTM RC rider, that's Jyoti and Vignesh with Thunderbird X. Sagar with his Kawasaki 650, that's my beast Himalayan. That's Joshua. That's Winston with his KTM. Shiva and Arun Kumar with their Enfield. Nishant with Dominar. Mayur and Subodh with KTM 390. This trip was organized by myself and my friend Winston. If you are a biker and want to be a part of our next ride, join our Facebook group called the Gear Tribe. It's an exclusive group for bike riders. We organize bike trips every 2 weeks. I have posted the group invite link in the below description. Chikmagalur is about 250 km from Bangalore. Travel duration is about 5 hours. The roads of NH75 are pretty well maintained and you can enjoy cruising at a speed of 80 to 90 km. We exited the toll road and reached Hassan around 10:30 am. We took our second break in Hassan and continued our journey back. We had to drive through the Hassan city. The roads after Hassan are pretty bad. Make sure you drive very cautiously. Hassan to Chikmagalur is about 60 km. We took about 2 hours to reach.
So finally we reached the resort. So time is around 12:30 now. So we all have parked our bikes here. The resort is pretty amazing. It's just on the Chikmagalur highway. It's totally in the exteriors and they have maintained the property very well. Let me take you a tour of the complete resort. Stay tuned.
The property name is Beehive Homestay. They have got enough space for bike and car parking. It's located in Chikmagalur Highway. It's about 5 kilometers away from the city. They have about 5 rooms on the ground floor. And this is how the room looks. On the top, they have got a massive hall which can be used for tent stays and groups. They have got 2 dorms. This one is a 8-bedded dorm with restroom and balcony. They've got a big veranda as well to sit and relax. And this is a 5-bedded dorm room. Cost per person is 2000 rupees, which includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, campfire and snacks. They do even have an artificial fountain and a swimming pool. After our lunch, we started our journey to Baba Budangiri and Manikedara Falls. Baba Budangiri is about 33 kilometers from Chikmagalur main city. Travel time is around 1 hour 15 minutes. This is one of the must-visit places in Chikmagalur. It's about 1800 meters above sea level. People visit this place for its amazing scenic view of hills. Drive through the place was very stunning with lot of curves and narrow roads. As we drove further, we could instantly feel the change of weather. Just about halfway, we were just done to look at the amazing view.
Guys, you're gonna love this.
Sometimes you gotta give things up. Sometimes you better not let go. Cause I need to know when I'm down and in trouble. Jump in the water, jump in the water so far.
We stopped at a couple of places to take some pictures. On the way, you can also visit the Honnamanahala Falls. It's a small stream with running water under the bridge. If you are a nature lover like me, then you would really enjoy driving through these scenic roads. After about half an hour of cruising, we reached at the top of Baba Budangiri. The view of Green Carpet Mountain is really breathtaking. You can ride till the peak of that cliff. Now we are headed to Manikedara Falls. This involves a 3-kilometer intense off-roading. You should be very careful riding at this route. Many of our riders stayed back due to the off-road trail. Since I had an adventure cruiser, I crossed the trail without any hassle. The drive was uphill. Make sure you have high ground clearance vehicle. I think this is one of the best advantage of having an adventure tourer bike. No matter what, you can ride through any kind of trials. On the way, you could also find a small pond at the middle of the hills. After 15 minutes of riding, we reached the spot. You can find a lot of local shops nearby. There is also a viewpoint. You can see the Blue Valley and the entire Western Ghats from here. You need to take the stairs to reach the falls. Entry fee is just 2 rupees per person. Avoid visiting this place during the weekends as it's crowded. The falls is very small and you can play in the water. The name of the falls is Manikadara, which literally means a string of pearls in Kannada. And yes, the falls looks very spectacular. It actually looks like a pearls jumping out from the sky. That night, the entire resort was lit with lightning, which made our group very special. We had a campfire with lot of fun and music. The next day, after our breakfast, we headed to Mullayanagiri. You'll have to cross the Chikmagalur city. The route is the same for Baba Budangiri and Mullayanagiri. Please make sure you carry all your bike documents. During our trip, we were stopped by the cops multiple times. Entry fee for bike is 10 rupees. Mullayanagiri is about 21 kilometers from the main Chikmagalur city. It takes about 45 minutes to reach. The place is pretty cold and covered with lot of smog. The drive to the peak is a complete bliss. But be aware while driving as the roads are very narrow with lot of curves. Due to an accident, the road was completely jammed. We took a turn and went to the nearest peak, which was free. We quenched our thirst with some tender coconut water. It was a short trek to the top. People come here to enjoy the scenic beauty of nature. You can find mixed crowd visiting this place, families, riders, couples. Best time visiting the place is during early morning. You can see the place is completely filled with smog. Kindly promote the tourism by not littering the place. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for upcoming vlogs. Also, kindly post your queries in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another exciting travel vlog. Until then, this is Hari Viman signing off. Thanks for watching.